How you feeling? Good? Alright, let's go. Wait, let me try something. When I say hip, y'all say hop. Hip, hip. You're with me. Good. Shout out to Isabel. I see you. I see you, Jonathan. Hey, let's go. And we gon' celebrate. We are on the spotlight tonight. Hey, and every time it's music, I close my eyes and I'm feeling alive. And now we got it like, hey, let's go. Do it for the music and love. And now we got it like, hey, go. Let's go. Even when my life resets, well, I'ma do it again. Hey, check it. Yeah, the city's always on the back, but all these people never see just where I'm running at. Life at the top now. Used to be the drop, now I'm hot. How? Cause I took my time to take the drop out. Live it up. Life will always get the best of me, but actually I've been trying to take out all of the acts in me. And for the life I live, all of the time I've been trying to fit in. All of the rap, but I know I can win. 100% I can do in this thing. Dang, I've been so gone. Lately I feel so wrong. Life is such a travel, but I just wanna go home. Chill back in my ozone. When I kill raps, and they know, bro, that I be doing everything they wish for. They ain't never gonna see that road, Joe. Put it on my life, I keep it grinding, I ain't stopped yet. Just don't get caught up in the process. Spotlight tonight. And every time it's music, I close my eyes and I'm feeling alive. And now we got it like, hey, yo, let's go. Do it for the music and love. And now we got it like, hey, yo, let's go. Even when my life resets, well, I'ma do it again. Hey, make some noise, yo. Let's go. Countdown. Napalm. It's 23 drinks and the case gone. You say I'm on what? Well, you ain't wrong. Probably why I'm so dope and my brain's gone. Yes, sir. Hey, come and check this. 17 is when you penalty, I get elected. Reckless. I'm looking freshness. This what you get when you blowin'. Hey, I'm fresher than them kitties. They better get in my city for really. I'm on the road. I got a trippy on my thingy. Hey, I'm on the busy. Rising up to the Timmy. Top it on Papa's better lock if you getting with me. Oh shoot, I brought a harder sound. It's not the city you should rap if you don't put it down. I said it loud, I'm getting famous. And if they got a crown, I'll tell them I'ma take it. Time is ticking, so we don't watch. You wish you in the picture, but you getting crap. Let's ball out. It's my time, I'm going all out. It's my shine, let's go ball out. It's my time, I'm going all out. It's my shine, let's go ball out. It's my time, I'm going all out. It's my shine. How you feeling, Fresno? Hey, when I say one, y'all say love. One. Alright, let's get it in. DJ Payne 1. Yo, one time for the freshest kicks. 2 times for the freshest kicks. 3 times for the. They proud of me, I keep buying, killing this, so what you think? DY, put them in the PR. Got it on lock, put them in the 3 bars. Asian, put them in a streetcar. I'm running that back, but it's not a street draw. Got that when I'm rocking the top back. I'm hot sack, you be on lock, so I got that. Stop that, cause I hit him with a hot track. The girl said I ain't late, but I drop that. Don't hate, cause you ain't me. I'm still young, cause I ain't 18. But when it be hits, I'll be killing everything in the game. Ain't the same, so I keep 2 G. Better put it down on the dance floor. So can we get around and the clap goes? Clap, 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 clap. You better put it down on the dance floor. So can we get around and the clap goes? Well, you know this song I originally wrote it in English, but you know, since it's a Hmong music festival, I wanted to write it in Hmong. So I redid the whole verse. Some of you may heard it, some of you may not, but I hope you enjoy it. So let's go. 我只要了不满我一些，宝贝。我只要了不满我一些，我个路能要贴嘎，天气啥子都能到达，电话到不连天气，天气吹着都能往那。头长路你来应木头，路冇呀来应全部，啥个啦来应木头，舊路能什麼睇路能嘎，睇路能我拼啥錯，上有喜歡的了有去應大家，我到路能我熱，我還會有。這個我只要了頭個你下次接不馬靠，有苦都傾了不應包，來撒配了不應包，這兩家了應起到，yeah， 你苦都包，你苦有什麼呢？結果我過大無見，你苦馬更加落，你苦都到這給我你。